Alright, so today after we are all the way done doing our Sharpie, our next step is going to be to add our colors. Now if you remember, we want to use contrasting colors. So if we have contrast colors, that means that they're just different. Maybe one's light, one's dark. Like in the pictures we looked at, one was black, one was white, and it just kept switching. So it's black, white, black, white, black, white. So we're going to get to choose colors today that are contrasting colors. Now, I've chose just kind of a purple and a light blue here. Now, if you're not sure if they're contrasting colors, you can flip your paper over, just make a mark, make another one. Now, you should be able to tell that one looks like it's lighter, that one looks like it's darker. Those are contrasting colors. So I will be good to start on my picture here. So first thing that I'm going to do, it's easiest if you just start on the bottom and work your way up, or if your lines are going sideways, maybe start on one side and work your way across. That way you won't get mixed up a little bit as you go down the road here. So I can choose whatever color I want to start with, so I'll just start with the purple here. My first row is easy because I don't really have a whole lot in it, but I'm just going to color inside of the lines. Really going to be an important step once I start getting to these next couple spaces. But I'm just going to color inside the lines. Again, this one's kind of an easy row. There's not a lot going on in it. And that row's done. Now, in order to make them contrasting colors, just like in the picture we looked at, they would keep flipping on and off of which color was going next. So if I did purple here, my next row is going to be a light blue row. Now again, when I'm coloring it, I need to make sure that I'm staying inside the lines. And one neat trick too, when you have these big spaces, is if you use the side of your marker, instead of, don't use the point, use the side where it's longer. And then you can make those big spaces get filled in just a little bit quicker by going on the side of the marker. So again, make sure, just like I'm doing here, I'm not crossing over my lines. I'm not going over the lines here. I'm just staying in this space. So there's still no line yet. I'm just going to keep on coloring until I run out of my space here. So again, and it's easier if you go a little bit slower too, just in case some of the markers might start running out. If you go too fast like this, you can see that does not look as neat as when I go slower. So make sure you're taking your time and filling in those spaces nice and neat. This will be the one time that I'm really making sure you're staying in the lines, really getting a neat job with your coloring. Now, after I finish up my space here, I want to make sure that these spaces are getting colored in